Can maintenance lower monthly utility bills? Yes, regular maintenance can lower monthly utility bills by helping heating, cooling, plumbing, and electrical equipment work more efficiently. Dirty air filters make a heating or cooling system work harder, so replacing them every 1 to 3 months can improve airflow and reduce wasted energy. Sealing cracks around doors, windows, pipes, and vents keeps heated or cooled air inside where it belongs. A surprising amount of energy can be lost through small leaks, especially around attic openings that are easy to miss. Cleaning refrigerator coils helps the refrigerator release heat and use less electricity. Checking water heaters is also important, because sediment can collect at the bottom and make the heater use more energy to warm water. Lowering the water heater temperature to about 120 degrees Fahrenheit can reduce energy use while still providing hot water for most homes. Fixing dripping faucets and running toilets saves water, and it can prevent a hidden leak from raising the bill for weeks. A useful habit is to compare each month's utility bill with the same month from the previous year, because weather changes can hide the effect of a repair. One common mistake is replacing filters only when they look completely blocked, so mark the replacement date on your calendar instead. Another mistake is sealing every vent or covering radiators with furniture, which restricts airflow. Keep supply vents and radiators clear. Some people also assume that lowering the thermostat dramatically saves the most money, but frequent large changes can make the system run hard, so use a steady setting and a programmable schedule when practical. Never ignore an unusually high bill, because it may signal a water leak, damaged insulation, faulty equipment, or an incorrect meter reading. Check the meter and contact the utility company if the increase is unexplained. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.